Well, good morning. We're taking a leisurely start to the morning. It's nice and cool out here. We've had breakfast and now it's time to pack the bikes. We're going to go west on I-10 to Louisiana, where we'll stay with friends for the evening. So we're stopping for our morning coffee break and gas. Gonna try Burger King and Applefields and Stuckey's. Haven't seen Stuckey's in years. Well, the only thing about Stuckey's in the store is that sign. There was nothing inside with a Stuckey's label on it. Well, it's time for a picnic lunch at a rest area just inside Alabama. Beth carries a cooler on her back seat, on the back seat of her bike, on the passenger seat of her bike. What are we having today?
Ham and turkey.
Well, it's at the middle of the afternoon and we've arrived at our friend's house in Mandeville, Louisiana. It's right on a bayou, and they replaced this house after a hurricane a few years ago, so as you can see, it's built on stilts. Beautiful setting. And we're going to sign off for today and get this put together and publish it tomorrow. Check you later.